Contraception is probably the last thing you think about when you're pregnant. You might want to deal with it later, but it's important to think about it carefully now while you have time. Because you can get pregnant again as quickly as 3 weeks after your baby is born. That's no time at all when you've got a newborn in your life. Research shows that it's much safer and healthier, both for you and your next baby, to leave at least 1 year before getting pregnant again. This allows your body time to recover from the pregnancy and birth, to give your next baby the best possible start. Some people can't imagine wanting to have sex again after having a baby. But those feelings can change. And it is possible to get pregnant very quickly after giving birth, even if you're breastfeeding. So it's a very good idea to talk about contraception with your midwife, doctor, or specialist now. They can help you choose the right method for you to include in your birth plan. It's a service available to everyone. There are lots of choices of contraception, which you can start right after your baby is born. They are completely safe for your baby, even if you're breastfeeding. Several long-acting methods, like the coil or the implant, can be easily fitted while you're still at the hospital. And there are less appointments afterwards, which can be tricky to attend when you're looking after a newborn. So remember to discuss which contraception you want as part of your birth plan. Because well-spaced pregnancies are safer for your body, your baby, and you.